Do you think in the end we're going to find out who killed Jacob Juma? Are we going to find out his killers?
They've actually packed the case already. By, initially we were told, cartridge was recovered at the scene. A few days later, strangely, some cartridges are found.
Yeah.
And then a day or so later, some people are shot at Nyayo Stadium, and the cartridges fit those that were found.
Miraculously.
They could not, miraculously. And initially they could not be found. It was an assassination.
Was he a good friend?
He was a good friend.
You knew him well?
I took Jacob Juma to school at the Kenya Polytechnic. He lived in my house. I gave him fare like any other student every morning to go to school. So he's somebody I've known extremely well. Juma was just a free spirit. And I do not think his assassination can be justified by any wrongdoing he could have done.
Yeah.
I want to believe as a nation and the way we advanced, we can always negotiate our situations. If I am aggrieved, I can address it in court. If by discussing with you does not solve the issue, we can't turn that primitive that the only way to settle scores is by assassination.
That's right.
Yes.
It is very primitive, you're
Yes.
right. Another note, did you ever give Deputy President William Ruto any fare? Did you ever give him fare money?
We shared money because we earned it together. And I didn't take him to school. He had already finished university.
That's right, yeah.
Yes. And he was a promising upcoming young man.
Yeah, but you sent him on errands.
Everybody will go flat out to help him.
Did you send him on errands?
We work together. Let me not demean his office.
You have 1 minute.
Yes.
That camera over there. Talk to Kenyans going forward because of all the hate, because of where we're going in this election, where you live, and what you've seen. Talk to them. What do you tell them?
Simple. Our country is at crossroads. The decision is ours as Kenyans to ensure what is right is done, to ensure we have the right IBC, to ensure we elect correct leaders. Take time, understand your leaders, go flat out, ensure you have a voice in negotiating who will be your leader. The only way you negotiate it, take a vote, cast it, ensure it is counted, and that is your voice in the direction the Republic of Kenya shall go. That is my message to Kenyans.
Yeah, good message, Mheshimiwa, good message. By the way, there's a guy called V. Nyakeye. He says, tell Mheshimiwa we are sorry for the loss of his son-in-law.
Thank you so much.
That's what he says.
Thank you.
It's good to talk to you, man. It's been a while.
Thank you, Jeff.
Well done, man.
It's been a while also.
Yeah, I didn't know you were so eloquent, and so,
Jeff, we've talked to you before. I've gone to school. Do you know? And by the way,
yes,
not a local school. A man coming from a village called Ilumakanda to Mangu High School is not an ordinary brain. Let me blow my trumpet.
But would you... Okay, you haven't decided to run for president. You haven't decided yet.
You're discussing it. I'm consulting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, let us know when you do. You could always come back here and announce it.
Any day, anytime, I will.
Maybe I should bring you and KYM here.
Any day, anytime.
Oh, my.